Don't know how this thing will drive. So I'm trying to edit, and this little thing comes in my room, destroys my productivity, and just wants to attack me. Like this. Come on. Ah, you bad kitty. No, it's a bad kitty. So I tacked on this plate and bolted on the other one. I made this bolt on because if I want to remove the engine, I can just drop it down like this. I can't go up because all these pipings are in the way. It comes a little bit close, to the exhaust, but maybe with some heat wrap it will fix it. It will not be a problem. And need to make pieces that come here, and then on the other pieces comes this part, and we have like a line we need to follow from this bolt to this bolt, and on this line the ball bearing needs to lay on, otherwise we have bump steering. So yeah, I need to make parts to connect this to there. So for the steering I have a pipe, threads insert, gonna weld them in like this, then have like this part that I'm gonna weld in like that, and this is for here, and this will offset the ball joint so that the hinge is in line with these two bolts. So if my suspension go up and down, my wheels don't get pulled in or out. So here you have it. This is like the hinge that needs to be in line with this and that one. So yeah, gonna weld this part in. Great. So I've welded it all together. Now I'm gonna install it right there. Great. So now we're gonna cut it here, and weld it back together. So I have the thread like right here. Same on this side. There was a Chickenosaurus on the roof. So I have these parts for my steering, but one is left threaded and these are both right threads, so I need to order one set more. And this hole I'm gonna drill out. This is also M12, but it's chamfered on the inside, so quick with the drill. And then yeah, the front is connected then, so great. Sorry. So I installed this side, and this side I still need to wait on that other joint. So it works, but when I turn it, it's like, if you look here, you can see it go up and down. So I don't like that. So maybe I'm gonna 3D print some bushings that I can install here. So I don't have that much play. So the system, this is anti-Ackerman. That means that if I turn this tire, if I turn that way, this tire is gonna go sharper than that one, and it's mostly used in Formula 1. That's for going very fast in tight corners, but on road cars they don't use this because it tears down the tires a lot. So I couldn't fit my steering rack here because of that engine, so I went with this system, and that means that I gonna need to speed up in the corners, but I'm alright with that. Oh, part arrived. We'll install this. Same with these are original from here. That's because here we have a ball bearing, and you can just manually turn this, and this affects the tire. So when I have this pushed against this shouldn't happen. So yeah, let's install this. So you can see everything is connected now, and with this part jamming against this part, you can't rotate this anymore, so that's good. Same for this side. I'm gonna take a quick look at the maximum steering angle. So that's it, and you see with the anti-Ackerman that wheel steers in sharper than that one. Don't know how this thing will drive, but yeah, we will see. I don't gonna mess with the front steering again. The big challenge for now is to connect that all the way here going up to the steering wheel. But first I want to install my seat on a fixed position, because then I know where the steering wheel needs to come out. So yeah, that's my next job. So guys, the rear end was hold up with this boy. I'm gonna ditch these and use these bad boys.